All right, let's look at the dates at the bottom here. Boston Massacre, French and Indian War ends, Lexington and Concord, Navigation Acts passed, Stamp Act passed. Navigation Act passed. What century? 16 or 1700? 1600. The year is 1660. 1660. Number 2. French and Indian War ends. That has to end before the rest of the problems begin, okay? And everything else is a problem. French and Indian War ends in 1763. That's one of those dates you really need to keep in the back of your mind because it's really a pivotal point, because it really is the marking of the start of the whole revolutionary spirit, okay? Number 3. Stamp Act passed, 1765. 1765. Britain's first attempt to try, or second attempt to try to pay for the debt they incurred for the French and Indian War. Number 4. Boston Massacre, 1770. 1770. And the 5th one is Lexington and Concord, which takes place in April of 1775. Yes. Okay, the next 5. Constitutional Convention, Declaration of Independence, Revolutionary War begins, Revolutionary War ends, Shays Rebellion. Okay, before we start, I want to explain something. 1 and 2 are the Declaration of Independence and the Revolutionary War begins. It doesn't matter to me which one you put first, but I want to explain the philosophy, okay? Philosophy A is that the Revolutionary War begins in 1775 with Lexington and Concord, and then you get the Declaration of Independence. Philosophy number 2 is the Revolutionary War doesn't technically begin until you've had a Declaration of Independence. So number 1 would be a declaration, and number 2 would be the Revolutionary War begins. I don't care which way you put it, okay? And you can do it either way, but do you understand the thought behind both of them? Okay? So you can put 1 and 2 there, whichever way you want to go. Declaration is always 1776. The war begins. If you think it's Lexington and Concord, you'll put 1775. If you think it's after the Declaration of Independence, you'll put it as number 2 in 1776. What's number 3 then? Really? The Revolutionary War ends as number 3, okay? It ends with the Battle of Yorktown in 1781, or if you prefer, 1783, with the Treaty of Paris, or Peace of Paris. Number 4, Shays Rebellion. And number 4, you should remember, comes first because it leads into the Constitutional Convention. Shays Rebellion takes place in 1786. And the Constitutional Convention, number 5, is in 1787. Okay? When's the Constitution ratified? 1789. Okay?